Some Jamaican people like to decorate the outsides of their houses with lights, and sometimes even statues of Santa Claus, snowmen, and reindeer. Gingerbread and china wares, Jamaican cookies and sorrel or ginger juice are often left out as a snack, for orphan kids, or homeless people. We do not know if this is still the case, but it is, or used to be, an old tradition. Towns and cities often decorate the streets with lights to celebrate Christmas. 10 most popular Christmas traditions in Jamaica are: watch a Christmas movie, set up a Christmas tree, string home and yard decorations, hang the mistletoe, host or join Christmas dinner, bake Christmas cakes, gingerbread cakes, cookies and decorate houses, exchange gifts. What Jamaicans eat during the Christmas festive season: a turkey is an inexpensive main meal that will feed a lot of people. Stuffing, sometimes called dressing, is another common Christmas dinner food. Mashed potatoes, gravy, chicken, curry goat, stew peas, cranberry sauce, Christmas ham, beef tenderloin, rack of lamb. Is Santa Claus real? According to historical records, Santa is real. Santa is real in the sense that he was an actual person. Otherwise known as Saint Nicholas, his story goes all the way back to the 3rd century. He was a monk who was born in 280 AD in modern-day Turkey. How old is Santa? According to internet records, Santa is 1,751 years old. What's another name for Santa? Santa Claus also has some other names: Saint Nicholas, Saint Nick, Kris Kringle, Pelsnickel. Why Christmas is so important to Jamaican Christians. Christmas is celebrated today to remember the birth of Jesus Christ, and Christians believe Jesus Christ is the Son of God. Are Santa elves real? From a scientific viewpoint, elves are not considered real. However, elves in many times and places been believed to be real beings, that people claim to have come into contact with.